Children, now let's see the 3D shapes. Match the shapes with their other halves. This is one half of a sphere. Let's match the other half. Here. This is one half of a cylinder. Let's match with the other half. This is one half of a cube. Let's match it. This is one half of a cone. The other half is here. Then this is one half of a oval. Let's match it. This is one half of a cuboid. The other half is here. Match it. You should do it in your book, children. Match the arrows in the red boxes with the arrows in the blue ones. Let's see the pattern of the arrows in the blue box. Let's match it with the same pattern in the red box. You see here, the same pattern is here. So, you should match it. You see here, the same pattern is here. So, match it. You see this arrow, the same pattern is here. So, match it. Likewise, you do for other arrows also.